Hi guys, how are you all doing?
So loud.
Oh. Okay, you have to be quiet. This is the...
Okay, can I do it?
Okay, do it.
Hi guys, how you all doing? This is Sopheap with a weird noise. And I'm here to eat snacks today. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited.
Oh my god, this is hilarious.
It's hairy.
Hi guys, how are you all doing today? So I'm back again with a lot of snack. We decided to do this video. I thought it's gonna be fun. And also I have this dude right here. I don't know who he just happened to stop by my door.
I heard the word snacks and I came right in.
Okay, we're just going to go ahead and start it because we have a time limited. Okay, so we're going to start from this and then we will give our own opinion to see how it actually tastes like and then what we think about this. So this one is the seaweed, but it's sea salt. Moo, said moo. Okay. Well, you don't have to stand like a soldier. Okay.
I'll try this one.
I don't know if I have a husband or I have a kid.
What's the difference?
It's kind of salty.
Yeah. Wasabi.
I think it's good.
Are we supposed to review these?
Yeah, what do you think?
It's kind of seaweedy.
I'm going to have a lot of wrinkles in this video.
In a good way, though, you know?
Okay, this is really salty.
It's a nice salty snack, though, if you're craving something salty with low calories. It's almost no calories.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're going to try the other seaweed. It's just different flavor. This one is wasabi.
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 Yeah, I'm going to have a lot of wrinkles in this video. To be honest. Okay. Eat it. Oh, what is that? Ugh.
What's wasabi?
Huh, I don't like it.
Okay.
Ew, it tastes so weird.
That's what wasabi tastes like. You know that green stuff they give you with sushi?
But that it tastes like spicy. This one tastes like sweet, salty. And...
they definitely made this sweeter and saltier, I think.
Okay, so I got these. I think it looks really cool. Nutella?
Nutella. You never had Nutella? Oh my god, where have you lived? You've been under a rock for 20 years?
I live in the forest.
Yeah. I can't eat that because I'm off the sweets. This guy.
But I won't charge you $100.
No, I'm not doing it.
Okay.
This guy is off.
He's on the diet, so he won't dip.
No sweets for a month. But this stuff is A-okay. Go figure.
I love these guys. It's ready to go. It has the stick and it has the Nutella inside.
What do you think of Nutella? You like it?
I like it. I actually never have it before, so...
We served that, but we've had that here before. We served it when I made crepes. We had brunch, and I served Nutella with crepes with Nutella.
What do you think? Do you like that stick?
I would like it a lot more with some Nutella on it.
Oh, okay. So this one, it's a Rocky, and it's strawberry flavor.
Pocky.
Huh?
Pocky.
Oh, it's Pocky. Wait, is that P?
Oh.
I thought it was a... Are you ready, Seb?
No, I can't have that one either. It's sweet.
Oh, really? Okay. It's so good.
Is it strawberry flavored?
Are you sure you don't want one?
Of course I want one.
You know when someone cannot eat anything?
I'm fine
You
with
like... Okay. Which one do you want to try first?
This one, told you. I know I like these. I've had them before.
You have to stand straight if you don't want to show your face.
No, that's not my idea.
Oh my god. This is my first time having this. I think it's very cool. What do you think?
Yeah. The thing about these though is like they get spicy after a minute unless you eat more, so you have to keep eating them and keep eating them. Otherwise,
Oh
they just
yeah.
yeah. The spiciness is like delayed for a second.
But it's kind of like sour.
Sour?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe a little.
Move.
God.
Okay. I really want to try this. I'm going to try this. It's just exactly the same thing. It's just two different brands, I think.
No.
Is it the same?
Those are like, I think they'll look different if you open it up.
Oh, really? But it looks like it's from the different brand.
No, taste the gas.
Oh.
I don't think it's different brand.
Like that. Okay, so this one.
It's really similar to that.
Yeah.
But I think I like those better. They're like a
So
little
this
more
is how
crunchy.
they actually looks like. The left one is this. And the right one is this. Okay, let's try this. Oh.
Are they coated with something?
It's a peanut inside.
Yeah, but what's on the outside?
Outside is what is it outside? Is it barrel flavor?
No, it's just the flavor.
They didn't say.
Yeah. Oh. I don't know.
But these guys, it tastes really good. So all of these, which one is your favorite? The whole snack thing.
I really like this one.
You want some peanut?
Working on my belly.
Okay, last one.
I got it. Oh, didn't get it. Got it.
Anyway, guys, this was great. I think my favorite is the Pocky. That's how you say it.
Good Pocky,
Pocky.
I think.
I got the strawberry flavor. And it's like $2 for that pack, and it's really nice. I mean, like the hot Cheetos, they are great, but I never had them before, so the flavor is kind of awkward to me. I love this to go.
That means I get these. I get to finish these.
I love this, the Nutella and Go, because they have the whole pack with chocolate and the stick. It's really good, and it's really like $2. Oops. And these peanuts are great too. It tastes really good, but the coffee is gonna be my favorite. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today. And thank you, my dude, my random guy. Just stop by to do a video with me.
Yeah, well, I heard snacks. You know, it's that time of the afternoon.
Have a good day, guys. I will see you all in the next video. I hope I will get random guys to do video with me. Okay,
Random guy, look how red my hands are.
Oh. Bye, guys.